Pearl Flexi adjustable razor, which from what I hear, the Rex Envoy is a 3-plate Flexi. Now this is like the knockoff of the Rex Ambassador. So what everybody's been saying is, you know, this razor and this razor, this is like a setting 3 on here. So I'm gonna give it a shot on a setting 3. I got some water blooming in the puck. I'm using it in a 1966 by Rex as well. I don't have any pre-shave anything from Razor Emporium or Rex Supply, so I'm just going to do it the poor man's way. And now I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite, the Henson synthetic T3 knot. I just soak it in the water, and then now I wring it out. Okay, so there's not that much water in there. Go into any puck and grab some soap. I like to face lather first and then load all my equipment. That way it gives whatever soap or cream that I'm using that day time to set up, you know, on my face and soak into all those hairs, make my shave that much easier. And I think that's like huge. All right, so I'm gonna hydrate it a little bit here. Pretty good soap. Now I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna use my favorite, the Persona. Now the Rex Ambassador 3-piece design, there is a lot of flex in that head, but it not a ton of movement. So putting the base plate back on here, checking blade reveal, looks pretty good to me. What do you guys think? Pearl Flexi 2-piece design, made in, so you unscrew it here at the bottom. Okay, and this one, you know, and then that's my, I'm gonna use a setting 3, and that's my blade reveal on the Pearl. It looks a little off to me on a setting 3. It looks like this side is more deeper than this side. Can you see that? All right, so now that those are both loaded up, I'm gonna grab my brush again. I'm just gonna hydrate a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. As you can see, no problem with getting this soap to pop. All right, setting that aside. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Rex over here first. One great razor. I gotta say the weight of this is damn near perfect. So what I'm just gonna do the top with this. And I'll do the bottom with the Flexi. I actually think these Personas are better than the Platinums. At least in this razor, big difference, way smoother. This felt pretty aggressive, or I'd say medium aggressive the last time I used it, with that Persona blade in it, the comfort coats. With the Persona comfort coats, this razor shines. It's way smoother than it was with the Platinums. All right, now in for the Flexi on setting 3. Okay, going in on this side. It's a little more harsh. I think it needs to be bumped up a little bit. Let me take it up to like a 3.5. All right, so now I've got it on 3.5. Yeah, I'm saying 3.5 is where it falls for me on the Envoy. Well, that feels pretty good. It's got it has a little more blade feel, but I gotta say these Persona comfort coats, they make a huge difference. I mean, like, they're more on the sharper end of razor blades, but they're so smooth, and it's got to be their manufacturing process. I've never had a fail with one of these blades. They're good. All right, so first shave, our first pass, really good. A little rough around my mouth there. All right, going in for the second pass, I'm going to go with the Pearl Flexi this time. Pretty good. Now against the grain. Nice and efficient there. No blade shatter. That was really nice. All right, the Envoy. Can see where I got some weepers from the Flexi. The Envoy is definitely smoother. It's not as aggressive. Go lower. I mean aggressive feeling. Look, I got another one there. Nothing on the Rex Envoy side. Yeah, feeling a burn. All right, now going over it, I got a alum block here. I'm gonna go with it. My face is stinging pretty good on the pearl side. Oh yes. Lower lip here is killing me. I got it over here and over here. Yeah, on my cheeks as well. Ooh. Little burn. Oh, it's tingling over here too. Especially underneath my chin here. Wow. Nothing up top. Man, did I... It's like a scalpel. Not a comfortable shave. All right, put that away. I'll link all this stuff below. I'm gonna rinse that off my face. I gotta say, I have to say that my face is burning from the Flexi. There, right through here, it was very harsh as well. Right there, not that the Pearl's a bad razor, I don't care for it. It's really aggressive. I can't wait till this November when I grow up my beard and I cut it off. I will bump this up to a 6 to see how it is. But this one weighs 140 grams, which is quite heavy. I mean, and it rattles, but it's a little too heavy. It's made out of brass. If you see the top cap of that, do you see the tooling on it? And is it misaligned? Don't know. I hear they have a lot of problems with that, at least in the comment section of my videos. The Rex Envoy. It sells for $150. It's made out of stainless steel. It's a little smaller than the Flexi. I think I found the aggression on them. The Envoy is a better shave, but is it worth that much money? Because this one's like $69 on Amazon. Is it that much more? Is it worth that much more for a smoother shave? Well, you have adjustability on this, but I don't think it's going to matter. I think that's a pretty rough razor. From the viewers on my channel, they all say, yeah, man, that's pretty rough. My last shave with this was rough. This shave was rough. So there's something to that. Is it worth to bump up to this? You know, it might be for you, because if you get this exact counterpart, which is the Rex Ambassador, you know, that's like a $300 razor. But are you getting a better shave? Yeah, you're definitely getting a better shave. I know they're supposed to be similar, but this one is the Envoy's it's a better shave, and I'm not just saying this shit. This is just really aggressive. It's not even as smooth as a R41, which is one of my favorites. So is it worth the cost of the Envoy? It sure certainly is if you want a clean shave. I don't know if this one, an adjustable razor for $69, I would just get a Rockwell 6C and flip out the plates. It's a better shaver if you're going to go money-wise. And I was going to put it up against that, but that's kind of pointless because the Rockwell is going to kill it. It's just going to kill it. I wanted to see how it compared to the Rex, just because I heard it was level 3. Heard that from Matt on one of his videos. 4, 3, 2, so now I'm going to go back in with the 1966 Splash. Dude, look at that bottle. It looks old-fashioned. Pretty cool. You got to shake it up. It's got witch hazel on it, so that's cool. I always like that. Top applicator. Pretty good. Ooh, it's got alcohol in it. Yeah, that burns. All right. I'm not going to use any of the shaving balm today. I'm going to skip that and just see how the Splash works. Both are good razors. I don't care for the tooling on here. I can see marks on it, you know, but for the price, I mean, it's half the price of this guy for the most part. So yeah, can you go with that? Yeah. Does it affect the way it shaves? No. Is it adjustable? Yeah. But I think for adjustable razors, the Rockwell's a better fit, even though you got to move plates around. But honestly, once you find a plate, you're not going to change it. You're just going to stick with that plate and shave with it. That's how it's supposed to be. But if you want to, you know, goof around and dial stuff down, you can. Even with all of my butterfly razors and adjustable razors that have, I usually just stick with what I start out with. I might bump it down one, but generally just stick with the one I started with and go with it. You find a smooth spot. Look, there's one there, one there, one there. It's like one there, one there. I had quite a few here. Whew. Face is on fire. So that's why I wouldn't recommend this. This, pretty pricey. When you get up to that price point, you know, there are other adjustable razors that will fit into your budget, like the Rockwell T2. If you wanted an adjustable razor, that's a killer shave. But winner out of shave-wise definitely goes to the Rex Envoy. Not because, if this was made out of brass, it'd be the same cost as probably this thing right here from India. Better shaver for me. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys down the road. Don't forget to check out these next 2 videos.